Up for sale, I got a 1975 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon. Finished in factory colors, bucket seats, console. Gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 75 Cutlass Salon. Very cool car, finished in factory correct Persimmon with white interior and the white kind of off-white vinyl top. 350 number matching, 46,000 original miles, turbo 350 trans, which is the original trans, factory 10-bolt rear, power steering, factory AC, power front disc brakes. I mean, the Salon's really cool. I like the idea behind it. I was doing a little bit of research online, and apparently they call it the Salon because in 75, around then, women had their big hair, and the idea was that you could fit the women's big hair in the car. Now, I mean, that's kind of a gimmick. I assume they all have the same headliner, or the distance between the top and the bottom. I don't know for sure, but that's pretty cool that they went out of their way to make something like that. My dad, he's not going to watch this. He's been calling it the saloon, like the bar, for the last 3 weeks for whatever reason. It's got its original chrome on there. Very nice condition. Like, oh, that's a leaf that just popped up there. Like a little mark right there. Other than that, in very nice condition, being its original chrome, but it is 46,000 miles, so there's not a lot of wear on the car. I have a video of the underneath that I'll run in a little bit. Solid, clean, all original floors, frame, nope, no rust at all underneath. Going underneath the 75 Cutlass Salon. Again, you can see a lot of the original underneath. All those original inners. Frame, original gas tank. Any kind of support is in excellent condition here. Factory 10-bolt rear with a date stamped on from '89. Ready up the left side. Frame rail is excellent. All original floors. Barely even surface rust underneath it. You get the occasional little guy like that. Up here in the front. Here's the front driver's side control arm. Excellent condition, really. Going to the passenger side, you see the disc in the front. Going to the left side now. Excellent frame. I mean, look at the nice factory holes there. There too. They put a different trans pan on it, turbo 350. I don't know if that's just new itself or the trans was rebuilt. I'm not entirely positive. There you go. But it is in that factory correct Persimmon color. Like 2 little stone chips right there on the hood line. Something stuck in there. Get that out. Couple little touch-ups right there. But the body being all original, no rust and no Bondo, is very straight. All the original glass is in excellent condition and has that factory tint bar on there. You see the original VIN down there. I love the contour, the line there, and the line that goes back there. Very interesting design for these mid-70s models. A little tiny chip on the door jamb, and another little mark down there. The doors open and close as they should. And the interior is about, I give it a 90%. Original door jamb here. You see a lot of these factory ribbing, factory markings. They're very clean, no rust, no rot. Again, as you can see down here, very, very clean and preserved. Now the only thing wrong, the carpet's ripped there. So this is definitely its original carpet. And somehow there's a rip in the seat, which isn't that bad. I mean, just about a little rip there and that. That is really the extent of what's wrong with the interior. Other than that, the interior is mint. the all-original interior. See, it has AC. Here's the radio, the AM FM. And you see 46,114 miles. Original steering wheel. Again, like I said, the interior, other than for those two things, is in mint condition and very clean. Again, I like to think of these cars, all mid-70s cars, like I think of my mid-70s Corvettes. They're not always restored. And when they're not restored, they're not always in nice condition. And the interior always seems to get filthy and crumble, if I'm going to be honest with you. But on the 75 and other cars that I look for very clean interior. And this is one of them. Another thing I like to point out, a little design, it's a little pouch, but also your handle. I mean, you could grab onto this, but this is also the handle. Very nice chrome. Back seat is in excellent condition. I know it's a little hard to see. I got shading coming in, but it's all clean, no rips, no tears. Very clean. The carpet in the back is clean. Again, I don't know how it ripped up in the front, but that's it. We're gonna keep going. Vinyl top is excellent. I don't know if it's the original one. I believe it could be because it's a low mile car, but even if it is original, this is in excellent condition here. Same with that rear back window with the little, it's kind of separated in the middle, give it a little angle design. No rips, no scratches, no bubbles coming through on the vinyl top. Factory rally wheels with the white letter tire. I mean, I could point that out, but I know you see it. And they look like relatively new tires. I know it's a little hard to see. All factory markings down here. Rear bumper almost fell over. Rear bumper just as nice as the front. Even with this nice rubber in place here, this isn't cracked at all. I mean, it looks like it's a little chipped right there, actually, the rubber piece, but other than that, there's nothing else. Trunk fitment is very nice. And actually, give me 1 second, I will go pop the trunk. Because the trunk is in amazing condition. You got the gas flap there. Okay. First off, original under trunk hoods paint. Instructions there. The light works still, if you can see that. And here's the trunk. No rust, no patches, all original spatter paint, spare, jack. With that factory mat that's in here, which would normally be glued down, but I might have peeled up a little bit just to see the cleanliness. This is all original. This is in excellent condition. Nice to see, very well preserved, which is assumed when you have 46,000 original miles. Carrying on here. A little chip right there. And about the worst thing on the body of the car, right in this little area, couple bubbles right there. Other than that, this is all steel. So 2 bubbles right there, and there's no other rust anywhere on the car. More of that design. I do love that design. I've been wanting to buy a post 72, so 73 on Cutlass for a while now. Happy to get my hands on the Salon. Excellent window here. Again, the vinyl top looks like new. Very, very clean interior, really. Now this seat's in excellent condition. No rips, no tears, nothing on this one. Nice dash. Again, no cracks anywhere on the dash pad. And I don't know if I mentioned it, it's a console car. So bucket seats with the console, it might be a usual thing for this kind of a car. Far better than a bench seat. So like I said, it will be up for sale later today. 75 Cutlass Salon, factory colors, 46,000 original miles, number matching 350, turbo 350 transmission, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC. You can check it out on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com or eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so go on and check it out. If you have any interest, do let me know. See, no cracks. And actually, I'm realizing I didn't show you the headliner, so let me show you that. There's no issues there. Very clean, no rips, no tears. We are going to fire it up very soon. It runs and drives like a dream. Let me go ahead and pop the engine. Pop the hood. So, here we go. You see the 350 AC power brake booster back over there, and the power steering pumps down there. Like I said, it is the 350, so we will fire it up right now. Thanks for watching, and here we go. Alright, here we go. Here's the 350. We're going to fire it up just in a second here. I'm going to give them the thumbs up. You see the factory AC, power brakes, and there you go.